Hello and welcome. Let's start today. Today we are actually starting with physics, and our lecture henceforth is going to be on Zoom because of the social distancing that we have to observe because of the COVID-19 coronavirus. So I'm going to be putting us through, and today we're going to be starting with physics, and what are our objectives? We are going to be answering the question, what is physics? Measurements, fundamentals and derived quantities in units, measuring instruments, dimensions, um, limitations of experimental measurements, accuracy of measuring instruments, significant figures, and standard forms. So these are basics, and they're under introduction in physics, and those are the things we are going to be looking at today, if time permits us. So it's going to be a very interactive class. So when I finish a slide or 2 or 3 slides, I should be able to ask us questions. And we'll be answering those questions, and we'll be moving forward from there. So what is physics? Physics is the natural science that involves the study of matter and its motion through space and time, along with related concepts such as energy and force. So I want you to pay attention. After 3 slides, I'm going to ask questions, and I want the whole class to be able to answer. Physics is a pure science that deals with the behavior of matter and energy and how it relates with other physical properties. And there are some actions in our everyday life that are actually physics, like driving. When you drive a car, it's much of physics. Lightning, when we are learning physics, we are going to get up to lightning, thermometer, how to use the thermometer, the camera. All these things are examples of physics in life. We're going to be looking at them. So the first topic in physics that we normally look at is what we call measurements. And measurements is actually the act or process of determining the size of a quantity. Whenever you determine the size of anything, then you're said to be measuring that very thing. So when you determine the size of something, you're actually measuring that thing. Now, we measure in order for us to know how big or small something is, and we measure quantities to determine their size. This is important in physics because let's say an iron of mass 10 grams is bigger than that of 5 grams. So without you knowing that this one is 10 and this one is 5, you will not know the one that is bigger. So that's why you measure. Your father's hand might be longer than yours. So we say the length of your father's hand is more than that of yours. And that is how you actually measure, and that is the need for measurement.